I'm about to cut the bonsai's roots. Will it survive this? Hey friends. Today I want to talk about the common problems and diseases of the ginseng bonsai. This plant looks beautiful and strong, but if we don't take care of it, it can get sick pretty fast. One of the most common issues is black spot. This fungus attacks the leaves and makes dark spots on them. The leaves turn yellow, then dry and finally drop. The solution is simple. Remove the sick leaves and spray the healthy ones with a fungicide. Root pruning is very important for bonsai. If it is done the right way, it will not hurt the tree. Usually we cut only 1/3, or at most half of the long thick roots. The fine small roots should stay, because they give water and food to the plant. The best time to prune roots is early spring. In this season, the bonsai grows new roots fast and recovers quickly. After pruning, plant the bonsai back in the same pot, but use fresh soil with good drainage. Keep the tree in bright, indirect light, and water it lightly but regularly. For the first 2 weeks, do not use heavy fertilizer. After that, you can give a gentle bonsai fertilizer or a little iron solution to help new roots grow. This way your bonsai stays healthy, strong and beautiful. Any shock you give to the plant with amino acid solution, neutralize it. Another problem is white or black mold. This usually happens in humid places with poor airflow. You'll see a white or dark layer on the leaves and stems. It can slow down the plant and even kill it. Have you ever seen mold like this on your bonsai? Tell me in the comments below. Next we have chlorosis. Or yellow leaves. This happens when the plant doesn't get enough iron, or the roots are damaged. The leaf turns pale, but the veins stay green. Adding iron chelate to the water can fix this problem. And finally, a quick tip. Ginseng bonsai is usually grown from cuttings, not from seeds. The top part is actually Ficus microcarpa, grafted onto those thick roots. Remember, this plant loves warm and humid air, but it hates the cold. So if you care for it right, it will stay healthy and beautiful for years. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and new videos.